What kind of gun is that?
This gun?
Yeah.
What kind is it? This is the M4 -14. It's a BB gun. 645 FPS. And I pumped it 3 times. It's got a singular round inside of it. We got to aim down at that there jar. That jar there's got a nice little candle behind it. And we're going to find out what happens when you add whatever's inside the glass jar. It's a little bit of fire.
I really hope it catches. Okay, it hit the
Never mind.
Do it again.
Give me another BB. I hit it. Are you ready, Sean?
That is shit. Alright,
We're good.
1, 2, 3.
It went right
Give me
through it.
another round. It went right through again?
Yeah.
Man, this is just too strong. I'm not going to pump it like 5 times again.
Where is
Here,
that?
give me another. Oh, here, never mind.
Where the hell is that even going? Like, it's not even hitting.
I can't find a good big rock to store that motherfucker.
There's no way.
Here we go. Follow it on.
There's
Here
no
we
way that's not hitting it. That went in.
Okay, give me another round. It's a strong ass jar.
Yeah, it is. What kind of jar is that? That's
It's a mason jar.
That's just a regular fucking mason jar. That is kind of thick glass.
Oh shit!
That went right in.
That went right in.
There it goes.
Nice.
That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. And that's all thanks to this wonderful rifle here, the M4-14. You can find it at your local Walmart. It's a hell of a rifle. Storage. It's a regular BB gun. It's got an extendable stock. What's really cool is, I mean, look at that. That's pretty good. That's not bad. I like that. Pump it like
Shit
that.
against mason jars filled with gas, though, apparently.
You know what?
Oh, that jar's about to explode!
Now let's get.
I don't know what's in there cooking, but something's cooking.
Why don't we just take a look and observe as the 4th of July has been belated? That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. And it burns, burns, burns. The jar of fire. The jar of fire. I'm sure that the molecular state of that jar is going to collapse at any moment.
Yeah, look at it spiraling.
Any type of intense heat against glass will either make it extremely hot to the point of, yeah, it melts it. Look at that, the bottom of it. Can you see that? It either melts it or just shatters it. No! No. Well, you see how easily molecules can be swayed by the different elements of our nature.
I ain't cleaning that shit.
No, I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
And the candle's still burning. I love it. I love it.
It's like the melt.
We
The
dedicate
candle's
this
like melting.
molecular experiment to you, Bill Nye the Science Guy. I know that you've had it hard. People saying that you're dying on Facebook. I won't believe it until I see it. I'll attend your funeral. But we're getting off track here. We blew shit up. Rock on. See ya.
Scott, we also did this with guns as well.
No! You don't!
How do you feel about Bill and I thinking that we blew this up with guns after several failed attempts?
It was pretty sweet. It was alright.
Yeah, man.
Thought it was pretty good. I got the hiccups, I'm so sorry. It was pretty cool. I loved it. It spiraled a little bit, that was cool.
for anybody that's watching this, I didn't actually leave. It was just kind of I thought it was gonna cut off there, but you know, fucking shit happens. This is my gun.